Hi everyone, welcome to the first video of 2024, and this will be a short one, but I wanted to introduce the new Call Me a Dreamer. First of all, my hair has changed. I just wanted something different. Also, it was way too long. It was like literally getting in zippers and everything. I was strangling myself with my own hair, and then I was like, oh, let's just color it. And something I haven't done, like you can see. I was laughing that I got grey because I went to Poland. But yeah, anyway, that's just me, what changed on the outside. But you're not here for that, you're here to hear what Call Me a Dreamer is going to be about. I am really excited to make this change because if you haven't followed me before or whatever, or maybe you missed some videos, we have bought a house. We bought it in the, we found it in the summer of 2022, and it's almost ready. It's supposed to be ready by now, but we have delays. So that's why we're still not in the new house. I'm still in an apartment with my boyfriend and his parents. But once we move, the content will change. I feel like I've been kind of waiting for that, because I really want to do like decluttering, organizing, tips and tricks, cleaning videos, motivational like cleaning videos to, you know, follow me along or whatever. These are also the kind of videos that I really enjoy watching. I want to make those. I know at some point I think I attempted, but just with the current setup, with the situation we're in, with people I'm living with, it's difficult to do that. Because obviously I don't want to show them, because it's my stuff, like I'm the one that wants to be on YouTube and on camera. They don't necessarily want to do that. But I finally feel like it's gonna happen. Well, I know it's gonna happen. So we're gonna be, yeah, also of course moving vlog and like setting everything up. I already have a few videos about the process of us finding the house and choosing a few things. They're called house diaries. I will continue those until we basically move, I guess. I will see how many I do. I definitely still want to do one about choosing your dream kitchen, because I did a lot of thinking and planning. Before that, I literally went to the kitchen place with PPTs and the guy was like, oh yeah, she's prepared. Same for the bathroom, and kind of like why we chose certain things. There will probably be a video of like things we didn't expect when buying and building a house, because it's getting built for us, as in there's a contractor that he is our main contact person, but we did choose everything that goes into the house, the floors, the doors, the kitchen, everything. So it's a very unique way, I think, because in a way we don't have the stress of it, although I'm so stressed that I don't know how people that actually build it themselves do it. Because yeah, when things go wrong, you're like, oh, whatever. But yeah, I'm going off on a tangent. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of have this quick intro to just tell you what to expect. And this is gonna go up, I think, on a Tuesday. And then from Wednesday, because I upload on Wednesdays every week. For now, it's every week, once a week. You can expect, I think, a declutter video. I'm not entirely sure what it is, because I filmed it a good couple of weeks ago. But I know it's gonna be some kind of declutter. And in general, there's basically, I'm decluttering everything we own. So there's gonna be quite a bit of stuff to go through. So yeah, I hope you're excited, and if this is the kind of content that you want to watch, then don't forget to subscribe to be on top of things. Not on top. Be up to date with things. And yeah, I can't wait for this new, in a way, chapter for Call Me a Dreamer, because I'm also like, on my Instagram, it's also gonna be all that kind of topics. So if you're also into that, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is also gonna show up at the end of the video with a little, not tag, like my name, how to find me. And yeah, I'm excited, you can probably tell. And I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. Bye bye.